In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to reset Fitbit 5 watch. So let's get started. The Fitbit Charge 5 is an affordable fitness tracker that boasts numerous features to help you better understand your overall health and wellness. While it isn't particularly stylish, the device is very comfortable to use and its charging life is excellent. It can last up to a week, and as you guys can see, it's about $150. So now let's get to the main title of the video, which is on how you can erase or reset everything on this watch. So if you want to give charge 5 to another person, or let's say you want to return it to someone for some money, first you have to clear your personal data. Of course, don't want someone else going and seeing your personal data, right? So now to do that, you have to do is the first step is to swipe down from the clock screen to find the settings app. So once you have seen that, you have to click and open the settings app. From there, you're gonna click device info, and then you're gonna see an option clear user data. Then you're gonna swipe up, then press hold 3 seconds for 3 seconds and release. When you see the Fitbit logo and charge 5 vibrates, so once your watch vibrates, your data is all erased. So that's how simple it is to reset or erase all the data on your watch. So you can go ahead and give this a try and let me know if it works. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out and I hope you got your solution, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.